Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Eclairs Toffee in a factory. First, raw ingredients like sugar, glucose syrup, and dairy are precisely weighed and introduced into large industrial mixers. These ingredients are then thoroughly blended to create a uniform base. This initial mixing step is crucial for ensuring consistent texture and flavor throughout the entire batch, setting the stage for the cooking process. After initial mixing, the toffee base is transferred to large cooking kettles. Here, it's heated to a specific temperature, often around 120 degrees Celsius, to achieve the desired caramelization. Continuous stirring is essential to prevent scorching and ensure even heat distribution. As the mixture thickens, flavorings and a precise amount of butter are incorporated, enriching the taste and texture of the developing toffee. Once cooked to perfection, the hot toffee mass is carefully extruded into long, continuous ropes. These ropes are then fed into specialized forming machines that precisely cut and shape each individual toffee piece. Following this, the newly formed toffees travel along cooling conveyor belts. This rapid cooling process is vital for setting the toffee's structure and ensuring it maintains its distinct shape and chewiness. After cooling, the firm toffee ropes are precisely cut into individual pieces, each weighing a consistent amount. These pieces then move to the packaging line, where they are individually wrapped in protective, food-grade material. Automated systems ensure this process is both efficient and hygienic, maintaining product freshness. Finally, the wrapped Eclairs Toffees are carefully boxed and prepared for distribution, ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.